Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to search on Amazon Prime Video using filters. This is a great way to narrow down the massive library of content and find exactly the type of movies or shows you're looking for based on specific genres and categories. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, look at the top menu where you'll see various options. Click on Prime Video. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct route, you can simply navigate straight to Prime Video without going through the main Amazon page first. Either method works perfectly fine and will get you to the same place. Once you're on the Prime Video homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a search icon there, usually represented by a magnifying glass. Click on that icon to activate the search function. This is your gateway to exploring all the content available on the platform. Now, let's say you're in the mood to browse movies. In the search bar that appears, type the word movies and then press enter on your keyboard. This will bring up a broad selection of movie options available on Prime Video. At this point, you'll see a wide range of results, which might feel overwhelming if you're looking for something specific. Here's where the filtering feature becomes incredibly useful. Look toward the upper right panel of your screen and you'll see an option labeled Filters. Click on that to open up the filtering menu. This is where you can really customize your search to match your preferences. From the filter options that appear, select Genre. This will expand to show you a comprehensive list of different genres available. You might see options like action, comedy, drama, thriller, romance, documentary, and many more. The beauty of this feature is that you can choose your preferred genre from the list, and the system will automatically filter the results to show you only movies that match your selection. If you want to get even more specific, you can select multiple genres or combine genre filters with other available options. The results will update in real time as you make your selections, making it easy to browse through a more manageable and relevant list of content. This filtering system saves you time and helps you discover movies that align perfectly with your current mood or interests. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to search on Amazon Prime Video using filters to find exactly what you want to watch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.